Welcome back, Data Dudes, to another episode of Be a Tech Pro, the podcast for everyone who wants to be a tech pro. I'm Kevin, and today we're diving into a topic that might sound dry, but it is absolutely crucial for any modern enterprise, and that is data governance. So let's jump right in. So what is data governance? It's all about managing the availability, usability, integrity, and security of data in enterprise systems. Now, why should you care about data governance? So let's look at a few scenarios.
Hey, IT support, we've got a breach and we're losing data.
So that's a nightmare that no company wants to face. Proper data governance ensures that your data is secure and protected from breaches. Or how about this one?
We need last quarter's sales report ASAP.
Without data governance, you might find yourself digging through piles of inconsistent data, wasting precious time. Data governance ensures that your data is accurate, reliable, and readily available. And let's not forget compliance. Regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and others are like the strict teacher of the data world. Basically, don't want to get on their bad side, right? Data governance helps you to stay compliant with these regulations and avoid hefty fines and reputational damage. Now let's sprinkle in some fun facts. Did you know that poor data quality costs the US economy around $3.1 trillion a year? So that's trillion with a T. Companies that implement robust data governance can see up to a 40% increase in data accuracy. That's some serious improvement. So how do you get started with data governance? Here are 3 key steps. Number 1, establish clear policies. Start by defining data governance policies. Determine who owns data, who can access it, and what they can do with it. For instance, sales data might be accessible to sales and marketing teams but restricted from other departments. Document these rules clearly and ensure everyone in the organization understands them. We all know these people who want full access to everything. If you just give in to their demands and it's a breach, then guess what? You will have to answer for it, not them. Number 2 is data stewardship. This is where you appoint data stewards. These individuals are responsible for maintaining data quality and enforcing policies. For example, your sales data steward ensures that all sales data entries are accurate and up to date. It's a role that requires both technical know-how and a knack for diplomacy. Diplomacy includes figuring out a nice way to say no. Remember Yes Man starring Jim Carrey? He would make a terrible data steward. Number 3 is technology and tools. Use data catalogs to organize your data, assets, and metadata management tools to track data usage and lineage. Implement data quality tools to monitor and cleanse data continuously. For example, you might use tools like Informatica or Collibra to automate data governance processes, reducing the manual workload and increasing accuracy. But let's not sugarcoat it. Implementing data governance is not without its challenges, right? One major hurdle is getting everyone on board. Data governance often requires a cultural shift within the organization. People are used to accessing and using data freely, and imposing new rules can meet resistance. In fact, I'm pretty sure it will meet resistance. It's essential to communicate the benefits clearly and involve all stakeholders in the process. Another challenge is the complexity of data systems. Large organizations have numerous data sources, each with different formats, structures, and ownership. Integrating these different sources under a unified governance framework can be very difficult. And then there's the cost. Implementing data governance requires investment in technology, training, and ongoing maintenance. It's a long-term commitment that can strain resources, especially for smaller organizations. Now let's look at some real-world issues that could have been avoided with proper data governance. Remember Target's massive data breach in 2013? Hackers accessed the personal information of over 40 million customers. Proper data governance could have helped ensuring stricter access controls and regular security audits, potentially preventing the breach. Number 2 is the Equifax scandal in 2017, where a data breach exposed the personal data of 147 million people. A robust data governance framework could have enforced better security measures and faster response times, mitigating the damage. Number 3, let's not forget financial reporting errors. Companies have faced millions in fines and lost investors' trust due to inaccuracies in their financial statements. Data governance ensures data accuracy and reliability, preventing such costly mistakes. So how can you overcome these challenges and implement data governance effectively? So number 1, start small. Begin with a pilot project focusing on a critical data area. This also allows you to test your policies and tools on a manageable scale before rolling them out to the whole organization. Number 2, engage your stakeholders. Involve key stakeholders from the start. Their buy-in is crucial for success. Conduct workshops and training sessions and educate employees on the importance of data governance. Number 3 is automate where possible. Use technology to automate data governance tasks. This reduces manual effort and increases consistency. For example, automated data quality checks can flag issues in real time, allowing for prompt resolution. And number 4, monitor and adapt. Continuously monitor your data governance framework and make adjustments as needed. Data governance is an ongoing process and regular reviews ensure it remains effective. Remember, the goal of data governance is not just to impose rules, but to create a culture of data responsibility. When everyone understands the value of data and their role in protecting it, data governance becomes a shared mission rather than a chore. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the importance of data governance, how to implement it, the challenges you might face, and the potential pitfalls it can help you to avoid. Data governance might seem daunting and might seem boring as well, but with the right approach, it can be a game changer for your organization. And that's it for this episode. I hope you now see the importance of data governance. Remember, if you want to hear more about the data industry, go to beatechpro.com. Remember to check out the description as well for the links to all of our socials and everything else that we have going for us. And I will catch you in the next one. See ya.